Since I updated my iPhone to the iOS 26, my battery is draining too fast. Like overnight, 30 or 40% charge has gone without any reason. So if you're experiencing any battery related problem on your iPhone after the recent iOS 26 update, then here is some guide to fix the problem. So the further any delay, let's get started with the video. Well, to not fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on general here, and then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and select tap reset all settings and put your iPhone passcode here and tap on reset all settings again, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and get back to the default. So you'll lose your Wi-Fi password and other saved settings that you have customized on your iPhone. But this process is actually going to reset all of your customized settings and get back to the default, and most likely this will help you to fix the battery draining issue on your iPhone. But after doing this process, if you found that you still have the problem, then here's the most proven ways to fix the problem. You can force restart your iPhone. You can press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. And once you see the Apple logo, release the button. This will actually restart your iPhone, and once you get back, if you have any software bugs or glitch, this will be fixed, and most likely your battery draining issue will be fixed. If none of these steps work, then might be the problem with the software itself. So now to fix this, you just need to wait for the next iOS update. You just need to open up the settings app once again and then scroll down, tap on general here and tap on software update. And if you found any pending update, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Or if you don't find an update, you can either downgrade your iPhone to the previous version or you can wait for the next update. And most likely, these are the common ways that you can actually fix the most battery draining issue on your iPhone after the update. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.